Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We're in the fourth greatest masjid in the world, Masjid Kufa, in the city of Kufa, the city of Amir al-Mu'minin alayhi salam. The fourth masjid in terms of greatness and status after Masjid al-Haram, Masjid al-Nabi, Masjid al-Aqsa, in Mecca, in Medina, and in Palestine. There are numerous narrations about this masjid. This masjid's soil and this land was the first land which glorified Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. You know, in Islamic perspective, everything has a soul. Everything glorifies Allah. سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ولكن لا تفقهون تسبيحهم. Everything glorifies Allah. So Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala delivered His Tawheed, the Risala of Rasulullah, the Wilayah of Amir al-Mu'minin alayhi salam, to all the entities in the world, to all the lands, to all animals, to all plants, and the first land in the whole world that testified His unity, the prophethood of Rasulullah, and the Wilayah of Amir al-Mu'minin alayhi salam was this land. That is why it becomes so great in its status. It is the place of the prostration and the sujood of malaika. It is the residing place of the Anbiya Allah, the A'imma alayhim salam. Adam alayhi salam was the first person who built this masjid. After that, Nuh alayhi salam was the second person who rebuilt this masjid. There is a maqam of Khizr, there is a maqam of Adam, there is a maqam of Ibrahim, maqam of Nuh, maqam of Ahl Bayt alayhim salam. This masjid, in terms of greatness, is not comparable to any other masjid except Masjid al-Haram, Masjid al-Nabi, and Masjid al-Aqsa. That is why Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, because of the greatness of this place, has given us special due. He has said, you come here, you recite Salat. Salat al-Hajjah. Your Salat al-Hajjah becomes so close to fulfillment if you come here. This is a place that the soil and the mud of the body of the human beings and the Anbiya Allah was taken from this place. This is a place that the Farat Tanur, Waqila Ya Ardu Bla'i Ma'ak, was started from this place. The place that water springed out, covered all the earth, and went down, drained into earth again at the time of Nuh alayhi salam, was this very place. So, in terms of status, nothing can be compared to this place. When you come here, don't forget to think, to do your acts of worship as best as possible, to do your salat, especially salat al-hajjah. Don't go back to your countries empty-handed from this land. You make yourself, your soil, your body, and your spirit compatible to this very special place. Status of this masjid is unique and irreplaceable. After that, there is Masjid al-Sahla. Inshallah ta'ala, we will explain the maqamat, the fadila, and the rituals, the great status of the other masjid too. Wa akhiru da'wana, and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, wa sallallahu ala Muhammadin wa alihi at-tahirin.